We are waiting for.
So this is our very humble request.
No, my humble request is to bring them here.
Where is your DM? Where is your DM?
She is already on the
He is inside.
Sir, नहीं.
डीएम आवास के बाहर आप धरने पर बैठे हैं, क्या कारण है?
See, we have 3 members of parliament came in the morning. Now one more member of parliament is here. You see, we wanted to meet the DM because of the atrocities committed on workers in this area. And our comrades have been arrested and they were put in jail. So this we wanted to discuss with the DM. So when we reached the border, a group of police officers came and stopped us there and told us that you cannot go forward, you cannot meet the DM, you have to go back. Then we said, parliament members and Politburo member Arun Kumar, myself, we were there. We said, okay, in that case, we went and sat in the pavement, roadside, without obstructing the traffic. Then Assistant Commissioner of Police talked to some people, came and told us, yeah, DM and Commissioner will meet you. Please, you will go. So we believed that. So they escorted us. But we were taken to a police, camp. And we were seated there. After having spent half an hour, we asked, where is the DM? Where is the Commissioner? Then no. Then one of our parliament members contacted DM. She said, he is Miss Mehta. She said, you come to the collectorate office, DM's office. We went there, waited. He didn't turn up. After half an hour, she told the Rajya Sabha member, come to the camp office. In the camp office, we were waiting and waiting. She did not come. Then we decided that we will come and sit outside till she comes. So finally, some comrades who have been arrested from among us, they have been brought. They have come here. So now we will go inside and wait for the Judicial Commission to come some more time. So we want an inquiry to be conducted on women workers were manhandled by men policemen. There has to be an inquiry. Workers' demand should be accepted for wage increase. Those who have been put in jail, they should be released. These are our demands.
There is another person who has been arrested.
Party secretariat member our.
1 minute.
अभी तक आपने नहीं बताया था, तो give me some.
मैडम आपको भी नहीं पता था, आपसे पूछ रहे थे ना अंदर, आप कह रहे नहीं है कोई, 1 मिनट रुको कमरेड, बहुत देर से सुन रहे हैं इनकी बातें, अंदर इनसे पूछ रहे थे, ये मना कर रहे थे आप दोनों का अरेस्ट नहीं किया है।
And so they are already seated in conference.
They are waiting for driving. They are free now. They are free to come here now. Their mobile is in your custody. Their mobile phone is in your custody.